Hello, sports fans, and welcome to another edition of Scott Sports 101. I'm Scott Trella. We're going to talk Browns and NFL football, traveling Major League Baseball, and we'll get to all that in just a sec. But first, here is today's Scott Sports 101 trivia question. What rookie pitcher hit a home run his very first at-bat? And I will have the answer later in the broadcast. Well, the Browns had the day off from training camp today, but they'll have day 6 of training camp tomorrow in Berea. And after 5 days of training camp, the Browns depth chart has some of the biggest surprises and questions by far. The offense and defensive depth charts. Derek Willis came into camp fighting for the 5th or 6th wide receiver spot, but he has shown consistency that has finding first team reps, and he runs the pocket well, and he makes the catches well, and he's consistent with that, and he just couldn't, and we will see if he will get the start this coming season. He very well could, but he's been on. He was also 11 for 11 in snaps today and catches today yesterday at training camp, and he makes the snaps well, and he really he puts forth the effort, and he could very well go into, and he could very well be one of the offensive guys this upcoming season. So we'll see what happens with him. That's one of them. The other one is at right guard. Another one is at the right guard. The rotation has been consistent between Austin Corbett, Eric Kush, and Kyle Callis. One player will spend the entire day at the position, then the next day reveals a different player in the spot when not at right guard. The other two rotate backup center. Well, at backup center, Freddie Kitchens said Monday that there is no clear leader yet, and each player will keep getting reps, and expect this one to go right up until the September 8th opener. And that's when the regular season will open on Sunday, September 8th, and that will be actually the Thursday night game will be the season opener. But Sunday, September 8th, that will be actually, well, with Thursday Night Football, that will be the season opener, which will be the season premiere of Scott Sports 101 Thursday Night Football pregame and postgame, and I'm looking forward to that. But Sunday, September 8th, that will officially be the season premiere. And yes, it'll be back, Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday. And I will do a pregame and late game, pregame, postgame for the early and late games, and Sunday Night Football pregame, postgame, and also the season premiere of Scott Sports 101 Monday Night Football pregame and postgame. So I'm looking forward to that, and tune in when the regular season begins on Sunday, September 8th. And another one is that the other one I want to mention is the quarterback position. Excuse me. Greedy Williams has earned his first team reps in OTAs and minicamp, and many expected him to roll into camp with the first team. However, Terrence Mitchell has taken those snaps and is holding down the spot opposite Denzel Ward in three cornerback alignments, excuse me. When the Browns have a safety in during big nickel personnel packages, TJ Carey slides outside opposite Ward. Williams has received the occasional first team reps and has battled Odell Beckham Jr. as well as anyone in camp. But the role has not been given to him. This battle might go into the late preseason, and we'll see what happens. But I have a feeling that Odell Beckham Jr. will be starting when the regular season starts on Sunday, September 8th. And I'll keep you posted on that. And also, when the regular season begins, the Browns, one of the regular season games will honor Browns great Otto Graham, and he deserves to be honored because he was one of the Browns greats way back in the days in the 50s and in the 60s. So we'll look forward to that, and we'll see what happens when we'll look forward to that and all the regular season when that gets underway on Sunday, September 8th. But we are almost 2 weeks away from actually 1 week away, from the Browns' very first preseason game, which will be on Thursday, August 8th against the Washington Redskins here at First Energy Stadium. Turning now to the Tribe. The Tribe lost to the Houston Astros tonight, and were shut out 2-0 tonight at Progressive Field. Shane Bieber was on the hill for the Tribe tonight. Bieber went 7 innings, gave up 9 runs, 2 hits, and struck out 8 batters. Then the bullpen went to work, but could not hold off the Astros, and the Tribe could not rally from behind, and the Tribe bats just did not come alive tonight. They only had 2 hits on the night, and I think those came in, I think it was the 5th inning. Check me if I'm wrong. And the Tribe is now 3 games in back of Minnesota in the AL Central because Minnesota did win tonight. And the Tribe will be back at it tomorrow night and try to get back on the winning track as they will play Game 2 of this 3-game series against the Houston Astros at Progressive Field. Zach Plesac on the hill for the Tribe with a record of 5-3, and Jose Urquidy on the mound for the Astros with a record of 1-0. And first pitch is tomorrow at 7:10 on Sports Time Ohio. Well, I have some breaking Tribe news that I will get to in just a moment, but right now it is time to reveal the answer to today's Scott Sports 101 trivia question. What rookie pitcher hit a home run his very first at-bat? And if you said Hoyt Wilhelm, you are correct. In his very first at-bat, as a 28-year-old rookie pitcher, Hall of Famer Hoyt Wilhelm hit a home run his very first at-bat. His career lasted for 21 more years and 493 plate appearances, but he never hit another home run in his career. And I will have another trivia question on my next podcast, so stay tuned for that. Now, we have some break-in Tribe news, and this has come as a really stunning shock to Tribe fans and all Major League Baseball fans. Indians right-hander Trevor Bauer was traded to the Cincinnati Reds tonight as a part of a 3-team deal with the San Diego Padres. The Reds are sending Yasiel Puig to Cleveland, while Padres left-hander Logan Allen is also Indians bound as well. Bauer was fined by Major League Baseball by heaving a ball at the left center wall in left field in Kansas City last weekend. And this trade with Cincinnati, the Tribe trading Bauer with the Cincinnati, this trade really comes as a stunning move, and with the trade deadline being tomorrow, it really comes as a stunning trade for the Tribe, and I know Tribe fans are stunned and shocked by this trade, and I know I am, and I know my really good friend Matt Murphy, I know is really shocked by it. I bet you he is, and I just really feel this was a very just a shocking trade, and I feel I had a hunch that this might happen, and well, this came as a shock that my hunch was right. I am really shocked. So yes, Trevor Bauer traded to the Cincinnati Reds in a 3-team deal with the San Diego Padres. So getting back, I mentioned my friend Matt Murphy, and when the regular season begins on Sunday, September 8th, with the season premiere of Scott Sports 101 NFL Football Sunday, my really good friend Matt Murphy will be my guest and join me for my season premiere early pregame show for the Browns game and all the early games, and we will break it down. We'll let you know what we feel the Browns need to do to win this game and how we feel this season is going to go, and so look forward to that. And getting back to the Browns at training camp, they know what it is they need to work on, and they really we'll see what they work on tomorrow in day 6 of training camp in Berea. And I feel I really feel Austin Corbett could really be a prospect for the started defensive back when the regular season and during the preseason, and when the regular season begins on Sunday, September 8th. So that's it. Those are my thoughts, and well, that's going to wrap it up for this edition of Scott Sports 101. And I'll be back with another podcast later on at the end of this week, either not tomorrow because I've done one tonight, but either Thursday, Friday, or Saturday or Sunday. But until one of those days, until then, always remember, be a team player each and every day in every way possible. So long, everybody. 3, 2, 1, I'm done.